Okay, so today we're going to look at another example. So we're going to do a few examples now. And in this case, we're going to, again, relationships between sets. Okay, so in this example, I've written down some sets of numbers. So here's the universal set. So U. And then here are four other sets, A, B, C, and D. Okay, and so in this case, I'm going to ask some questions. I wrote down A, B, C, D here. So here's some relationships that I wrote down. And we want to see if these relationships are true or false. So the first one says D is contained in B, or D is a subset of B. So is that true or false? Well, we have to look at the set. So D has the elements 1 and 9 in it. Are those two elements contained in B? And the answer is yes. So therefore, D is a subset of B. So this is true. Okay. Now, what about B is contained in D? Well, we can see that that is not true. Why? Because there are elements of B. Because remember, B is a subset of D, means all the elements of B are contained in D, which means that they're also an element of D. Well, 7 is not in there and 3 is not in there. So the answer is false. This is a false statement. Now C says, and again, this is something you haven't seen before. C is not contained in A, or in other words, C is not a subset of A. The slash through the symbol means not. So what we're saying is C is not a subset of A. Is that true? Well, C has 3, 9, and 11. Okay? We have to determine whether those are in A or not. 3 is in A, 9 is in A, and 11 is in A. So the fact is that C is a subset of A. So this is a false statement. And then the last one is saying the universal set is equal to A. Well, in order to be equal to each other, they have to be a subset of each other. So all the elements in the universe, in the universal set, has to also be elements in the in set A and vice versa. But that is not the case because 13 is not in A. So they are not equal. Okay, remember, to be equal, they have to have the exact same elements in both sets. Okay? And that's it. So this is also false. Okay. Have a great day.